What's up, motherfuckers? I am SJ. So today I actually met a couple of people at the local bar I go to. I go there to watch football. And you know, there were some cool people. They subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate it. Their names are Riley and Haley. That's a shout out to you guys right there. I told you I would. But yeah, I met them and they're really cool. They're Patriot fans. So I know I shouldn't even say anything, right? But hey, you know, I had a couple in me and just talk to everybody, you know. Shit. But anyway, so I asked her for some things to react to, and she gave me, I guess I'm doing a trailer that was based off of a book. Never heard of it at all. I guess I don't know if I got Ryan Gosling in it or something, but I don't know. I don't know anything about it. I think it's called Project Hail Mary or something like that. I don't know. Don't know anything about it. But let's get to it. Bam. I have to think. Hello. Oh. What the fuck? What the?
Is that me?
I need you to come with us.
Can you say please?
The sun is dying. You have a doctorate in molecular biology.
And I ride a bike to work. And it's not for exercise.
If we do nothing, everything on this planet will go extinct, including us.
Like an Armageddon thing?
My sheep.
Best-selling author, The Martian. Okay.
I'm Grace. I'm gonna call you Rocky. So, I met an alien. He's a genius engineer. And if I can't understand what he's saying, he puts on a little puppet show for me and my tiny brain. And you know what? I don't mind it. His planet's dying too. We're here for the same reason. Grace, Rocky, save stars. Am I expendable? It's almost like you don't care if I die. Hold on, you have to talk about it?
The consensus here is that it would be preferable if you did not die.
So she's
Thanks,
not.
guys.
You're a great scientist, Dr. Grace. And a great human being. The world is counting on you.
It's now or never. Call it fist bump, by the way. Fist my bump. No, it's fist bump. It's not the same.
Fist, comes right by my birthday. So, all right, Haley, I see you. It reminds me of a project, not project, I'm just saying that now. District 9. Reminds me of a District 9 movie, kind of like humans and aliens working together kind of thing, or it's somewhat of a matter. But keep it coming, girl. That was good. I'd go see it. Well, Blu-ray, but I would see it. So, I'm SJ, guys. Take care. Peace out, motherfucker.